Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we'll be taking a look at an iMac which my dad brought home from me from his work. My dad works at a print and design studio filled with iMacs, MacBooks and Mac Minis. My dad saw this iMac being thrown out, so he got his hands on it and brought it home for me. Taking a look around the iMac, the back is pretty clean. However, the front is covered in stickers and sticker residue. Later on we will give it a good clean. He was also able to get a white Apple keyboard, which is pretty old. I will show you how to restore one of these keyboards in a future video. After creating my own account, I was able to go to the system information to find out that this is a 2.4 GHz iMac with 3 GB of memory. I was also able to see that this iMac is an early 2008 model. Taking a look in the applications folder, we can see that this iMac has many Adobe apps, which would have been used for in the design studio. To remove the stickers, I started by peeling the labels off and then using Jif to scrub away the residue. I also cleaned the glass display. Now looking at the iMac, it is completely unrecognisable and looks brand new. Out of this, I got a pretty decent machine, a few useful Adobe apps and a keyboard. It also got saved from going into the skip. Please go follow me on Instagram at TechWithSully for news on what I purchase and information about upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video, I hope it has been interesting. Don't forget to hit the like button and get subscribed to keep up to date with all of my videos.